Hello everyone, this is Jack. Well, in this video I'll show you how you can make your own butter like this using only one ingredient. So let's get started. The only ingredient that you need is the heavy whipping cream like this. Add the heavy whipping cream in the blender of your choice. Make sure you do not add cream more than 1/4 of the blender capacity. Next, cover the blender with the lid and start blending. Blend until the cream thickens up and stops turning. Next, add a cup of cold water, cover with lid and start turning again. Once the cream stops turning again, add another cup of cold water and continue turning. You might have to add 2 to 4 cups of water depending on the amount of cream you have until the cream stops thickening up and the butter separates from the buttermilk. After 5 minutes of turning the blender, the butter will separate from the buttermilk, and it'll be completely obvious when that happens because the buttermilk will start splashing around like water. After separation, all the butter will float to the top because butter is lighter than buttermilk. Next, use a notched spoon like this one to scoop up the butter without scooping up any of the buttermilk. It's very important to separate all the buttermilk from the butter to have a longer shelf life. Next, use any container of your choice to store the butter in the shape and form you want. I'm using this butter tray, which is very convenient. Press the butter in the container and remove any last bit of the buttermilk. Next, turn the butter tray upside down and shake the butter down. The butter is ready. Refrigerate after making the butter. After refrigeration, the butter has set. Now let's cut through this and see how it is. Now here's some freshly made delicious butter. The butter that you make yourself with cream tastes slightly better than the store-bought butter because it's freshly made with fresh cream. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video.